Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Klipsch The Nines speakers and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting, in case these speakers are not connecting to your device, or they're not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, or they're not working for any other reason. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to delete all the pairing history off of them and everything, so that you can set them up basically like it's a new set of speakers. We can go ahead and do this quite easily. So before we start, we need to make sure that the source is not set to Bluetooth, so it has to be set on anything else like phono or analog or whatever. And then once that happens, we're going to also need the controller to do this. What we're going to do is we're going to come in on the back of the primary speaker and we're going to press and hold the pair button. And while we're pressing and holding the pair button, we're going to come into the controller and we are going to hit this button here, this little, arrow, backwards arrow button. So we'll touch that button while we are holding this pairing button. And then the speaker will start to blink, and it will blink for about 10 seconds. It should blink red for about 10 seconds, at which point the speaker has been reset. You can go ahead and set it up like it's a brand new speaker.